I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times, cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Oh my god, it has been a crazy day. I tried to start vlogging this morning, but that didn't happen. So now I'm coming back to you guys. Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day. The end of the day actually is night right now, and I'm at the supermarket waiting on my babies, my 3 babies, to come and pick me up. I just finished doing some supermarket shopping and rushing to go home to freshen up my house a bit because I have guests coming over. Can you guess who is coming to spend the night with me tonight? If you can guess before you reach to who it is, comment down below and tell me which of my friends, if you've been watching me for a while, do you think will be coming to my house to stay the night. So I won't tell you guys who it is until you guys see the person, or see the persons with an S. Anyway guys, I'm looking forward to see my friend that's coming right now. So the kids went to school this morning. As you guys can see, I saw a little glimpse of Sarah, and if I didn't put it before, now I'll put it so you guys can see. Look at this girl. Look, say good morning to the faves. Where are you going?
I'm going to school.
You're going to school?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a good day?
Yeah.
You're gonna be?
Nice.
And be?
Nice.
And be? And be?
And be
Great!
great.
Yeah! Oh my gosh, I can't get to film. So Papa went and picked them up from school. I didn't get to show you a glimpse of Tyler. You guys saw Tyler, but the back of Tyler. You didn't get to let Tyler say hello to you guys this morning. But anyway, I'm all over the place because I'm just having so many thoughts going on in my head, and I'm also looking out for babe pulling up with the car right now. So I'm here trying to get home at, it's now 6:30. Not so bad. My friend should be here in 2 hours, so we might even go on the road tonight. So if I do, I'll let you guys see a little piece of what we're gonna do. If not, then you guys just won't see. But I'll show you guys the supermarket haul and the rest of the family when they come and pick me up or when we get home. So stick and stay, subscribe if you're new to the family, catch up and keep up, and of course I'll see you guys later.
You see? Yeah.
It's time for the supermarket haul!
I don't hear Sarah.
Sarah, you have to say supermarket haul.
It's time for the
Supermarket haul!
because I'm louder than everybody.
She said supermarket. She didn't say supermarket.
You guys, as I came in the house, I see a big red spot on my pick in my face.
Supermarket haul!
Sarah, what happened to your face? What happened to your face? I asked her what happened to her face, and she told me someone pushed her. So Monday morning, I need to go and find out what happened to my child. Sarah, what's this?
It's coconut.
It's coconut. It's not coconut, it's steak.
Why is the popcorn it's out of?
Because the box full. Celery. Say what?
Popcorn.
Celery.
Celery.
Celery. Say
Celery.
what is this?
Hey, chicken.
Yes. Why 2 pizza, babe?
And chicken.
The mini pizza?
No, you saw mini pizza? One of them is mini pizza?
Yes.
The bottom one?
Ah, okay. I gave it a week break and it's back.
She can't do without it.
But not only that, I didn't just buy for myself. I buy for my boo,
It lasts
for
longer.
my husband. That's true.
It lasts longer.
And that's for Tyler. Woo!
Is the World
What's
Cup?
this?
Is the World Cup? No.
Who is for?
Sarah.
And Tyler. What's this?
Yogurt.
For who?
Tyler.
Yeah. Come guys, let's go. Let's do this fast. What's this?
Seafood.
Sumul.
Raspberry.
For who?
Sarah.
And Mama.
No.
What is that, Sarah?
Papa for Sarah.
Broccoli.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes for who?
Mama. Basmati.
Wow, Sarah, what's this?
Orange.
No, tangerine. And what's this?
Rice.
What's this one? Mama buy this for you and Tai Tai. What's this? Yes, kiwi. Yellow kiwi is
And
so
this is
good.
avocado and
Yes,
chicken.
when I finish, Mama give you one, okay?
Okay.
And juice for the kids. Plum. Going back to my French. Okay, let's do French. Ananas for Tyler. What's
It's
this?
me that is French.
Yeah, but you're not saying it. So that's why I was
Double jus d'orange.
Stop shouting, Ty.
Double jus d'orange.
Okay,
Double.
wait, you soon get it.
Kiwi. Yaourt.
Soon get
Pour
kiwi, Sarah.
maman.
Very good. What's this?
Chocolat milk pour Sarah.
Leo chocolat for Sarah.
Coca-Cola pour tout le monde.
Come. No. Blue for toilet.
For Mama.
We have to put
For
things
Mama.
in the toilet and hide
For
Papa's scent.
Mama. It's not about the
Why?
sense, it's about the putting. What is more sense? Is
Take
the
your foot
killing
off of it.
silent or not the silent?
Mama,
Yes, Sarah.
be careful.
Yes, I'm being careful. You be careful too, okay?
Okay.
Sweet.
Open it.
No, you'll get hurt. Mushwa, yeah. So, Sarah. Yes. What's that?
Chips.
Yes, fries. In France, they call it chips. You guys call it
Yes,
fried
chips.
chips?
Not at all.
No, they call it frites. It's the British
It's the
call
British.
it frites.
It's the
chips.
British.
Yeah, the British call
Well,
it
it's
chips.
one British. I don't know if it's the British, but it's
But my
one.
family in London call it chips.
It's one British.
When British people say chips, I'm thinking about chips in the supermarket in the bag.
Chips. Yeah, that's what we call chips.
That's what French people call chips. What's this, Sarah?
What?
Mushroom.
Fries.
What kind of fries is this?
Potato.
Which potato?
Potato.
What kind of potato? Because that one is potato fries too.
Patate douce.
Patat douce. What is patat douce in English?
Sweet.
Potato.
Tyler, that's your job, you know. Sweet potato. What's this?
Corned beef.
meatball.
We can't even translate it in French. We leave it corned
It
beef.
remains the original. This one is definitely for Papa.
No, this is for Tyler.
This for
This is
Papa.
for Tyler.
No.
Here first.
No, now I drink a lot of water. You're.
What Sarah say? What's this?
This is for me, Papa.
It's for Papa.
Mama, that's for me or for Papa?
It's for Papa.
When your family team up. When
Wait,
you
leave
start.
it,
How
leave it.
much?
Comment tu peux for Mama?
For Mama and Papa. Just say.
Surtout for Mama.
Lettuce. Aye, Tyler, this is your bag
Mais
here.
Papa, tu dis pas pardon.
Sorry.
Papa hit him and he said, but
No,
Papa, you
it's
didn't
he
say
hitting
sorry.
me.
He gave it to you.
I move and it's him moving same time.
He said, but Papa, you didn't say sorry. Cookie. Wait. Cookie for who? Who's been eating the cookie? It's actually for Tyler Sarah, but see who been eating it. Figures don't lie. Look, 3 figure and you alone. Can you imagine?
What are you making? Your team up my data. My data is not thinking like this.
Salmon. Salamana Gonde, Banana Monday, Rihanna Wednesday.
Petit Lily,
Weird. Do you guys know that song? Salamana Gonde, Banana Monday, Dead Tuesday, Rihanna Wednesday.
She knows, only her knows. It must be a Jamaican song.
No. I know that song. You guys, if you guys know that song, tell me the words in the comment section. Stella, don't stop them up like that.
Nutella.
More yogurt. You know,
Nutella.
if there's not yogurt in this house, then something wrong. And in here we have chicken. Tyler is taking out all of his snacks. We have cereal bar.
Pecan.
We have pecan nuts. You
We
guys know
have
that
rice cake.
Yes. C'est quoi rice cake en français?
Gâteau de riz.
No.
Mais si.
Gâteau de riz, c'est le yaourt.
Galette de riz.
Galette is
Galette.
Galette is not gâteau.
Galette is not.
Yo, wow.
So why is the rice cake and not rice galette, huh? You see?
Ça, Tyler,
Cake
you're
and galette
wrong.
is not the same.
You're fire.
It's galette de riz.
I'm not.
Now, hurry up.
Fire.
What else in the snack bag?
Oh, no.
Banana. Faster and Tyler. What mama have for you?
Mister, thank you. Hey, Papa, you forgot my food.
I didn't know it was that. Your mom didn't tell me, so.
Well, samosa for Tyler favorite. And then we have Tyler's favorite snack. Alright. It's time for the big match.
But before that, you have to.
It's time for the big match, Sarah. Sarah, I can't believe that they push you like that. Did you fail?
Yeah.
Did you cry?
Yeah.
It hurts?
Yeah.
Did you tell Mistress that someone pushed you?
Yeah.
Who pushed you? Tell Mama.
Put the friends.
Who pushed you? Tell me the name of who pushed you.
Put the friends.
Pushing friends. Who?
Oh, c'est moi.
Swallow. What? Et puis il s'est arrête.
Non, c'est moi. Arrête.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Okay. I think you asked last week, right?
Yeah, but that's just a one in a million. Come on, let's go.
No, but the
Let's
ask is
go.
still red from last
No
week.
talking because Tyler is ready to beat you and you're just talking for no reason. Don't hit. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yo.
Mama.
Undefeated. Babe didn't even win one. Tyler slapped him flawlessly. So who am I playing now? The loser or the winner? Who am I playing?
I'll bet with both of us.
He wants a hope to win. That's why he's coming to play with me. Come.
Both of us.
No.
Both of us.
Okay.
First one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
That's really. Mama. Now it's our turn. It's our turn.
Wait.
Mama. Mama.
Wait.
Mama.
Wait, let's laugh after him first.
Tu me tiens par la barbichette.
Oi.
Le
Oi.
poulet qui rira.
Mama is
Une
between.
tapette.
Come.
Allez,
Winner
on rigole pas.
versus winner.
On
The
rigole
one
pas.
that win.
Winner.
The one that win is a super win.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Mama. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Why you're laughing at is you that just shouting.
No, you're not thinking. You're a little baby cat right now.
Tyler, guess what?
What?
You won one and he didn't win any.
Yes.
And Mama won two. Babe is done for tonight. He's done and I feel really good because I beat Papa and I beat Papa. That's the first time in history. So
Not the time. Last
No.
time you had beaten two, huh?
I beat both of you on the same day.
C'est la
That
première
didn't
fois.
happen.
C'est la première fois elle nous bat
So
tous les deux.
this day, I'll never forget it.
I'm hungry now.
Because I win. Anyway, you guys, you see I have a lot to do around here. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. You're crying. Oh, look how they make me a ball, Chuck. Surprise! You know, wonder how we get in here.